Okay, so we're gonna go do a garden checkup. Walk around to the back here. It's the first time I've been out at all today since the tropical storm has passed. Because it's been raining. This is like literally the first time I've been outside our house today. It's been raining pretty much all day today. Since I got up around 8, it's been raining. Back pond, or the back corner of our screen is flooded. Let's go check out the garden. Walk down the path here. Looks good after we got all this rain. Nothing's damaged. What do we have over here? Green alien here.
No, get out! Fear me.
What are these two people doing? Or things? What are these two things doing?
Never bring life to these plants. They will all die at the face. My face!
Look really
The
good.
face!
I think I should.
What is this thing?
Yum, yum, yum. Oh, this asparagus is looking really good.
I will see you
Oh,
again
no.
when you and your plants die.
Plant killer.
What are those things? Didn't expect that in the garden today. Think I need some help controlling some animals in here, or things. I don't know how they got through the fence unless they figured out these latches. Anyways, yeah, we'll, check out the garden again. I think it's about to rain again. Got, you can see the water sort of in there. But, we've gotten about, from this rainstorm, that's been raining the past 2 days, we've gotten about 5 inches of rain, I'd say. 3.5 inches yesterday, and, an inch and a half today, so quite a good amount of rain. The grass is pretty tall. Have to mow it. But yeah, comment, rate, subscribe. See you later.